Too hot and stank, too cold, you gon' fuck around and down. He's sweating, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care why I go longer than
I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. Tonight I'm fucking something. I need some drink in my cup. Hey, I'm in the mood to fuck something up. I wanna go missing. I need a prescription. I wanna go higher. Can I sit on top of you? I wanna go where nobody's been. Where nobody's been. Have you ever had fun like this? Oh, we gonna fuck up the night. Black lights, it's just fine. So these are what my nails are looking like, y'all. These are so tea. So tea. Like, get into the nail art, the designs. I love my girl Jenny so much. Get into it. Which nail is y'all favorite? Like, oh my gosh, get into the shape. I am a big person that loves shape when it comes to nails. It's shape and then nail design, okay? Like, look at this. Which one is y'all favorite? I would say this one is. I like all of them. I freaking love all of them. Like, they're so beautiful. We are preparing for my 21st birthday. This is my 21st birthday maintenance vlog. If y'all cannot tell by now, like, it's time. Your girl is getting old. Y'all tell me, what vibe do my nails give? The vibes that I wanted my nails to give was a vintage vibe to them. I just got done doing an earthy vibe in the beginning of this month for my birthday photo shoot. So I wanted it to give vintage vibe. It's March 22nd. The reason I got my nails done today, we are preparing for my birthday trip. I love Jenny so much because she got me flowers. I don't look at her as just my nail tech. Like, I genuinely love Jenny as a friend too. Like, look at the flowers she got me, y'all. These are so beautiful. She said when she saw them, she thought of me. I'm so excited. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe because this video is about to be such a cute vlog. Yeah, today is March 24th, Tuesday. I booked it. Y'all, I booked a hair appointment and it's with somebody new. It's the person that I go to for my natural hair. She's all booked up. I was like, oh my gosh. Plus, it's also time for me to get my split ends cut too. I did not show y'all my hair yesterday because I walked out with my hair not done. Let me tell y'all a quick little story time. Yesterday I was supposed to get my hair done, so I went to the salon. I'm there. I'm not gonna say her name, so we're just gonna say T. Basically, I walk in and I'm like, hey, I have an appointment with T. Supposedly I was talking to T, but T, she wasn't even like that's me or anything like that. She just made like a face and like had her finger up. She's like, you could put your coat in the closet, but with an attitude. And I'm like, where's your closet? Like, girl, are you gonna show me where your closet is at? Mind y'all, this is not a young person. Well, she's not my age, okay? She looks like she's in her 40s. So I was like, are you gonna show me like where your closet is at? Like, this is my first time being here. I don't know where your closet is at. She knows this is my first time being here. But now I'm headed to the wash bowl. I felt like she just rinsed my hair and just put shampoo in, but not really like get it in there. Like, you know what I'm trying to say? So after my wash, she handed me a towel. Don't usually like hair salons, like they dry your hair for you. She handed me my towel, like to dry my own hair. I never experienced that before. I don't know. Okay, cool. So now I'm in the seat. She blow dried my hair. I hated how she blow dried my hair. I know it just sounds like I disliked everything, but I'm still sitting in the seat. Now she's actually talking to me, but not talking to me like actually having a conversation. She's talking to me about my style. I wanted braids up in a ponytail and perm rods in the middle. Okay. So like basically the middle part of the ponytail would be perm rods. Okay, cool. She was like, I can't do that. So I'm like, what do you mean you can't do that? So she's like, your hair is too short. Like, your hair is not long enough for this style. In my head, I'm like, what? Like, y'all, I just had literally a perm rod set with a mohawk. What? So now she's like, this picture that you're showing me, she had a drawstring ponytail. I said, yeah, I know, but I don't want a drawstring ponytail. I want a perm rods. And she said, I cannot do that. Your hair is too short. And she said my hair was like short about 10 times. She was like, if you really want perm rods that bad, mind you, this is everything she said. I'm quoting everything that she said. And she had an attitude too, a nasty attitude. So she was like, if you really want perm rods that bad, what we can do is braid it and then have the perm rods just in the middle. I was like, do you have an inspo picture? She was like, no. I was like, can you show me a picture? She was like, no. So then I was like, well, I don't know what you mean. You can't show me a picture. She said no. And I saw her face, the attitude, everything like that, looking all stink and stuff. I was like, I need a visual representation of what you're talking about. So she grabs my head and she grabs a small section of my head and was like, this will be perm rodded and the rest will be braided. And she grabbed my head a little aggressively, but I was just like, you know what? I don't even want you to touch my head no more. I got up out that seat and I was like, never mind. So I ain't paid for the wash and blow dry, like that whack wash and blow dry. But anyway, whatever. So you know what I did? I left a review on the website and then I emailed the person that referred me to her and I was like, hey, I did not have a pleasant person with T at all. T had a nasty attitude, said to me about like 10 times my hair was too short for a perm rod set. I was like, not pleased at all. I said, and then in my review I was like, nobody booked with T because I don't care. Like, I don't care, playing all up in my head. But yeah, so I did my own hair yesterday and what I did was a slick back. I never did a slick back before, so I did a slick back and I have like little baby flexi rods in my head right now. I did not take them out yet or anything like that, but the slick back is very cute. I did my edges and I just have it, you know, really cute slick back or whatever. So yeah, so I did my own hair. As we are going to start packing. I'm waiting for one more item to come in the mail. I'm just packing like little things, like some of my outfits and then like the basics, like underwears, bras, everything like that. I have to get socks tomorrow when I go out, but I just want to start packing some. I don't know why I just feel so behind. I don't know, like I'm feeling just so behind, and I don't know if that's because I just, when it came to my hair appointment or when it just came to my hair, I just planned things late. I don't know, but yeah. So this is my suitcase. Not gonna lie, this suitcase is real nice. They have like a department right here, and then you have like a liquid department right here. So if I can put like my makeup stuff, that's the main reason why I'm bringing a checked bag. Since I did my own hair, I can't really bring big bottle products in my carry-on bag, so that's why I'm doing a checked bag. But I know I still gotta be careful with the checked bag, but yeah.
Booty going up, down. I ain't got no problem spending all of my money, trying to see what's up now. I can do this all day like it ain't nothing. Black card, party in the backyard. Shawty got the black bra showing, tatted up, ass fat enough. She a bad bitch and she already know it. Yes, she know it. Yes, she know it. Yeah, yeah, she know it. She a bad bitch and she already know it. Yes, she know it. Yes, she know it. Yeah, yeah, she know it. Yes, she know it. She gon' make me spend some money on it. Yes, she know it. Whole bank account, I blow it. Go do a show then, bring some more in. Pockets bigger than a Samoan. On this stage every time, shawty go in. Shawty go in. Shawty go in.
So this is my suitcase, y'all. So my sneakers and my shoes are in, hold on, they're in this department. I love how spacious this suitcase is. Like, Yes, I love this suitcase. And then when I put my makeup palettes in, I'm going to put them in here. But right now I'm not going to put them in here because I'm going to need it. Oops. I'm going to need it still. The same thing with my hair products. Then my clothes and stuff. I just need more socks. And then piercing spray. And that's it. And everything is packed as long as clothes, shoes, bras, underwears, everything like that, pajamas, and yeah. So that's all I'm gonna do for now, y'all. I'm not gonna pack my carry-on bag yet, none of that. Really, in my carry-on bag I'm just gonna have my iPad. I'm not gonna bring my MacBook. No reason for me to bring my MacBook, but I am gonna bring my iPad at least. And then I'm gonna, what else? And I'm also going to put my jewelry in my carry-on bag. Yeah, but I'm gonna put reminders in my phone to remind me about my hair products, because I would be so sad if I leave my hair products here.